A fluffy cat, Timofej, enjoys nasty weather sometimes. Advantages of nasty weather are evident. One can sit in his favorite places as long as he wants and be lazy and relaxed and let oneself be idle a bit. Besides, one can enjoy weather contrasts inside and outside. Have you ever tried it? If you are a cat, of course. And certainly, it's a special time for dreaming, and Timofey never misses it. The wind behind the window promotes good dreams. It's impossible to dream about business in such days. It's a good time for romantic dreams, love, and feelings one can experience in cozy, comfortable house. Even winter pleasures, like walking in the snow and skiing and skating and snowballs.